So how to switch between your accounts on Discord Mobile. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first make sure you have your Discord app updated, and then from there go ahead and open it. Once you open it, now from here it is important to know that there is no direct option to switch between accounts like on Instagram or Snapchat, so let me show you how you can switch without that option. First tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen, and then from here tap on your profile picture in the bottom right. Now scroll down from here until you find the log out button. Right here, all you need to do now is to first log out from your first account, so tap there and then tap log out. From this screen tap on login and enter the details for your second account that you want to switch to, and then tap on login. Wait for a couple of seconds, and just like that you have switched accounts on Discord. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.